Done. So we need to get one more collection text same way. How we got this my account menu option, right? Same way. We have my account header list, right? So this header list text also you need to get. Same way for my account. Yeah, this one, my account header menu option list. So this one we need to get, and this also, this collection text also we need to get into some other collection. We need to return that. So let's see that, right? So one by one. Even this also you can play around with this one and this one. So all the collections you have to get same way how we did here. So I think you can copy the same thing, okay, same method. For rest of the trip, just change the collection name. Okay, so this one is this collection, my account. So header list, just say get my account header list. So I'll just put get my account header. Just remove this. And same way here, just change the collection name. And this one we need to change. So you can give any name, okay? So whatever the name you want. So I can create any name. So my account header text list or something like that. My account header text list. Simply say that my account header text list. So you just give this collection name here while adding each element. So everything is same. The logic is same, everything same. Only that collection. Oh, we made change here. I mean to modify here. Okay. Let me. This name we need to change. So this I'll change in my account. My account header text list. Text list. Same one, you can copy it here. Here. So my account, this action we took a wrong. You have to be very careful. This one. Yeah, so that's the exact one. So my account header text list. I'm adding each text into this collection with the add method. So that's it. Similar way, we can create another collection for this one. My account header menu is done, right? My account header menu we didn't do. So that also, let's get it. So my account menu is done. My account header we did. We need my account header menu list. So my account header menu option list. This is the one. Okay. And change here. your collection name. So what is the collection name? You just change it. What is the name file above we have given? A little bit different you do. My account, header, option, text list. Text list. Yeah, that's it. So this part is basically this one. Let me show you that. So here, this one first we got. Then only this header names we got. Second one. Now third one we got this my account header options, this one. So that is this part. Now we need to do, so this one, my orders, right? So the same thing you copy. So you can just say, change the name. So what is the name you want to give? You just change it. Get my order header option list, right? Get my order header option list. This we don't need, right? For this, we don't need. So that is only for the menu. So this we don't need. Only for menu we need to click. Remaining things we don't need. Okay. Now, so you can change this collection name. So my order header text list. So my order text list. So this name is, I think, my order. This one. Right. So all collections are done, right? How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 came, right? See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So order, my account header list, my account menu option list. So that's a different collections we need to get. So can you think about, so these are all done. So what else left? So search, right? Search left. You need to perform a search, right? You need to perform a search. How can you perform a search? So we are going to search the products. So that, so let's perform the search here. So this one, you need to first type here, then click on search again. So this will take you to the results page. This page is my account page. Observe this. When you search some product, Mac, right? So if you do the Mac, see it taken to results page. This is the results page, right? So this is the results page, search results page. So we have that page name here. Say results page is there. Can you see here? Results page. So this is going to return by this method. So that's what we need to write. When you create a method, that method, if you call, that method is going to return some other page. So that we can write here. A method is returning another page object. Public results page. So results page. Do product search. Do product search. String product name. So you give the product name. So do product search. So string product name. So you can search the product name. So you can just put first some logger you can add, loggers. Log message I want to add. So that is searching for the product. Searching for the product. Searching for the product. So what is the product we need to search? And give that product name. Product name. So provide the product name so that you will come to know which product you are performing a search. Then, so still we didn't, did we write a method? Okay, is search edit box exist? We did, right? Yeah, maybe you can reutilize this. So if that search edit box present, if is search edit box exist, if it exists, then we can type, right? We can type. Typing what method we are using? Send data. So call the send data. So send data method. So that is search edit box. So where is that search edit box? Here it is. And then the product name. The product, which product you want to perform a search. So after that, you need to perform the click action. Click. So on the element, which element? Search starts icon. So you need to perform the search starts icon action. So then it is going to return for you. So return new results page. New results page it is going to return. And so you provide the driver object. So this is the one. So, and then if, for example, if the this condition is failed, then you have to return something, right? Then return the null. So nothing is going to return for it. So there is no argument we have to create here. Still the constructor we haven't created, right? So we have to create the constructor for this. My account page, let me create the constructor for this. So I'll just change this everywhere. Yeah, we're done. So we are done. So now you will get a you will be resolved here without any errors. So add throws declaration, then it will solve. Okay. So that's all about all the pages. See, this method is returning for you a results page, right? This method is returning a results page. That's all. And let's go to next page. So what is the next page we need to develop? Registration page and product details will develop. Even results page also we can develop otherwise. And let's finish this registration page. Registration page is a very big one. Let's develop that. Okay. Let's develop the registration page. Okay. Already we have written some methods. Yeah. So registration page we already did. This is okay. We developed wrong place. Login page, right? This one.
We created one test case, Ramesh. So in that we need this home icon
Oh,
smart
okay,
detail.
okay. We need to change this one. We need to remove. Okay, got it, got it. Yeah, this one we need to change. Yeah, so we can use for a different purpose, different element. So only this method is exist. Okay. Now let's go and develop all the registration page. Style logout. Okay, complete logout. Go to registration. So this header we need to identify first. Right? We can identify the first header. So register account header. Yeah. Then this login page link. So each section elements we need to identify all of them. So let's identify all the elements. First, this one, right? What is the, so identify this. You can use a hash content h1, right? Hash content h1. Hash content greater than h1. So what is the name? So we need to provide register account. So register account header. Next. So this element. So login page link. You can use a link. So link or it's up to you what you want to use. Maybe you can see content greater than PA, right? That also you can use. So register account login page link. So you can write a CSS. Let me take. So CSS only I'll take. It will save our time. Okay. So that many elements are there. That's why I kept it. P greater than A. So if you want, you can just go and see this. And Control F. See that? Exactly login page link is identifying. So right here, register account, login page link. So done. So then this is the one called legend text, we call this. But basically, this is the one section, that section. So you can say your personal details a section. That's a legend text, we call this. Because this is having a legend, that's why I'm giving. So personal details legend text, we can call that. And what we can use, so we can write a CSS selector also if you want. Right, you can come from field set or from here. Field set, ID, okay, and then legend. So our hash account legend you can write. So whatever it is. Let me write content. We can write directly here, legend. See that? It will identify. Okay, account, right? Not content. Account. See, now it is recognizing. Copy and paste it here. Sorry, this one. Oh, here only, right? Here only. So I can say this name, personal details, legend text. Personal details, legend text. Next, you can say first name edit box, right? You can give all first name, last name. So these are the things you can give one by one. You have ID, take ID, hash, ID value. If you want, take ID. Okay, so I'll take ID. So again, all the locators I want to use, just give ID value. This I can say first name, edit box. So here I'll use a name locator for the last name edit box. So again, I'm covering all the locators. We already saw a few CSS selectors and XPath. So these things. And then let's see here. Last name edit box, right? Let's update. Last name edit box. Then what is the next element? Email edit box. So I'll use ID. Email edit box. So what is the next element? Telephone edit box. can say telephone edit box. Next, fax edit box. So it can say fax edit box. Done. This part, this section is done, and then I'll just put your address legend text. Same address, hash address, legend, right? Hash address legend, right? So let's use this. Next element, hash address legend. So I can say your address, right? That is your address legend text. Your address legend text. I can put address legend text. Address legend text. Next. So what is the next element? Company edit box. Right. So I can put company edit box. Company edit box. Next. Address one edit box. Address one edit box. So then address to edit box. Address to edit box. Okay. Next, city edit box. Okay. So these are common, not having much. Let me take from previous class. Okay. So I'll just copy because it's a similar, okay, and we don't want to waste time here. So from here, August, let me take because time is important for us. So these are all done. Where are we? City is done, right? City is done after city. Okay. So this one, postal code. See, so many elements, right? All those elements we need to breadcrumb home icon we already did. Contact us link. Till contact us link. Okay. So the functions. So what I did here is section by section I have written. So basically all setter methods. So you're setting the first name, last name, right? So I just created a setter method. So I did a set first name, set last name. Like you create a setter methods. And then I just created a set your personal details. Like that, separate method. Set your address details. Set password. So select a newsletter. Check the privacy policy checkbox. Click on continue button. All these functions I have written. Okay, so that's what these functions. I'll explain that. So let me take the functions. This one we already done. Let me take all of them. Setters and getters basically we have taken. That's why these many functions are there. So you know how to create a setters and getters. Select the elements. That element you can just right click and generate setters and getters. Generate setters and getters. Yeah. Generate setters and getters. So breadcrumb we already did here. Home icon. Click on home icon we did, right? Yeah, this one. We don't need this method. Okay. Click registration home icon, we kept it. Control Shift format. So these are all formatted. See, let me explain. This is the first one. We are clicking on the home icon. Then get account create header. So account create header. So this is this one. Account. So header. This one. So that we are fetching that. So that's a function. Account create header. So account create header. I think it's a button. Next page you will get that button. That's the one thing. Next, account created success message. These are all comes on after filling this. So this entire thing. So you will get these elements. Account created header, account created success message. So you will get these elements in the next page after filling that. Is account created success message present? Is account created a breadcrumb success link present? So these are all in the next page. I have taken that. Next, click on contact us link. So we have a contact us link, right? This one. Oh, this is the. So next page we have contact us. That also in the next page only. And click access account has been created. That also next page only. So this one, get first name, set first name edit box. See how we are getting the typed one. Element dot get attribute of value. Get attribute of value. So that's a first name edit box dot get attribute of value. So that's the get first name edit box. Set first name edit box. So you can, how can you set? Just typing, right? Send data, first name edit box, first name. So set last name edit box. So, and then get last name edit box. How we are getting the typed value? Get attribute of value method we have to use. So all setter methods, set last name, get last name, set email address edit box, get email edit box. So basically setting with the send keys method and getting with a get attribute of value method. So that's the main. So then set telephone edit box, get telephone edit box. Set fax edit box, get fax edit box. And set company edit box value. You are setting the value of the send data and getting the value with a get attribute of value method, value attribute. Get attribute method, you are passing the attribute name, that is value. So because when you type, it will go and store in the value attribute. That's why that value attribute value you are getting. Get address one edit box.